and everybody's faces were red from the sun. And I said, I turned black in the sun. Then this boy said, that's racist.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we're starting our very first episode of Garden Talks. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Oh my God. Okay, let's get to work. Today we're removing weeds, cleaning up the garden, and getting everything ready for planting seeds.
Let's do it.
So we live in a mostly white area, and you go to a private school where most of your classmates are white too. You're the only brown-skinned girl in your third grade class. Actually, probably in the whole third grade. How does that make you feel?
I feel fine. I don't really see people by their skin color. It doesn't really matter. It matters more about their personality.
Reach, sister.
Girl, look at you using big words. Personality. What do you mean by that? Tell me more.
Like, I just feel like what matters is how people treat you and how they think about you. All my friends are really nice to me. I don't even look at people by their skin color.
Oh, wow. That's really beautiful.
I just see them like, wow, they're so nice.
You see people by their behavior?
Yeah.
I think that's really interesting. Honestly, I wish more people saw others that way by their behavior, character, and personality instead of just skin color. Do you think your friends see it that way too?
I think so because they're all really nice. Okay, so one day after recess, everybody came back inside and everybody's faces were red from the sun. And I said, I turned black in the sun. Then this boy said, that's racist.
Oh, wow.
And I was like, I don't even know what racist means, but I'm not being racist to myself. Then my teacher said, that's not racist. Then she told the class nobody should say racist things about anybody and everyone should be kind to themselves.
And what did you think racism meant at that time?
I thought it just meant saying mean things to yourself.
Oh, okay. Well, racism is when people say hurtful or demeaning things about someone because of their skin color, culture, language, or background. Sometimes it can also mean treating people unfairly because of those differences too.
Yeah, but I wasn't being racist. I was just telling the truth.
Exactly. Your skin does get darker in the sun, and that's completely okay.
I didn't know why everyone got quiet.
Was it awkward?
Not really. Everybody was just listening. Then we just started talking about something else.
Well, thank you for sharing that story with me. I really enjoy having these conversations with you because sometimes, as your mom, I wonder how you feel being one of the only brown-skinned kids at your school.
I feel perfectly fine.
And honestly, I can tell. You always seem happy, confident, comfortable, and you have a lot of friends. That makes me really happy. Well, that's it for today's Garden Talks. Thanks for hanging out with us while we cleaned up the garden.
Bye!
See you next time.